I would have want to make a better vlog, kind of a thing to show the training, but since I'm training myself, I can't really hold the phone. And during hard training sessions, I can't hold it either because I'm gonna be tired while running and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm gonna show the base and how it looks, and you guys can look for yourself. I'm gonna go for the boxing gym first. It has the sauna room in it too. Over there is the pool. This is the boxing gym right there. The weights. Anybody wants to use them, or the weightlifters are using that as well. That little thing out there is our little hotel. Out there is the mountain that we climbed a few times. It really suck. Hopefully we're not gonna do it anymore. This is the pool. This is the boxing gym, the sunroom, and the weightlifting room. Out there used to be some Soviet something. I don't know what kind of sport it was, but it was a nice place. I'll show you around how it looks. This sport complex in Armenia, Tsakadzor, it used to be one of the most used sport complexes in the Soviet Union. A lot of Olympic champions, European champions, and world champions were training here. So it used to be a really historic place to make champions. After the Soviet Union collapsed, I don't think they used it for a few years, but now it's some of the buildings here are not used anymore. I'll show you around. This building, I don't know which sport used to be here, but this is an abandoned one now. I'm gonna go and show the track. This is the track. This is where we usually work out every morning. As you guys see, it is not in the best condition, and that's because each winter it's all full of snow because it's so high up here at the mountains. Just the base, not even the mountain, is about 2,000 meters tall. So they kind of fix it once a year after winter. Out there was the wrestling gym, but I'm not gonna go there because it's kind of starting to rain now, and it looks pretty cloudy, so I don't want to risk it and then I'm running to the hotel room. So this is kind of the base. The three main sports that Armenia do well in is boxing, wrestling, and weightlifting, and this is why this is the only gyms you guys saw in this video, except the pool as well. But there's a bunch of running tracks here, a lot of running routes that that a lot of the coaches force us to run at. And yeah, this is pretty much the base. It's a little bit bigger, but I was just too lazy to walk around it because we got more workouts to do later. And I hope you guys enjoyed this place, and I was happy to show it. I'm going to show you guys how a morning workout looks like. Every single time it's something different, but for this one we did a 15-minute jog, and then 3 laps of 400 meters in a good pace, not a sprint. And in between each lap we've done like 3 minutes of shadow boxing or a specific exercise or boxing specific exercises that the coaches told us to do. After that, we've done push-ups, some stretching, some other exercises that are specific to boxing, and some footwork drills. and it was about 45 minutes of a workout. After that, we went straight to the cafeteria and we ate, and then rest until the next one. Now guys, I'm gonna show you the athletes room in the sport complexes. This is the double room. The single rooms are pretty much the same, but they don't have a balcony. But other than that, they're the same, just have less space. I'm sorry for the mess, but it is what it is. We got a little fridge here. The bathroom and the shower. Me. Our beds. This is where the magic doesn't happen. TV that nobody uses because I got this bad boy. Now, all my gear was outside drying after sparring or bag work, but I just took it out because it's dry now. The balcony. And that's our rooms. Now this one is gonna suck real bad. Real bad. Doesn't look like it, but shit sucks. We're not even halfway through. These two douchebags left us, but we're gonna catch up to them soon. Most of the people have turned back. It looks like it's a pretty easy hike for some, but once you get high, you don't have as much air, and walking in the snow is freaking hard too. So let me show you how beautiful these are here. Less than 1 kilometer left. Many of the guys turned back. Probably around 10 people only reach to the top from about 40 people who started it. It may seem easy to hike, but damn, it's not. Especially when there's barely any air and you're tired from all the sparring, back work, all the running. So not much left. I'll show some videos once we reach the top. Here, Danny, how do you feel?
Feel great.
Nice. Again?
This is the second time we climb up the Alibek mountain.
Second time. This one, way faster. And less people made it this time, even though it seems to be much easier. This guy's nuts.
Great relief. C'è il secondo.
back, we showered, we ate, and in total it was about 3 hours and 15 minutes of going up and down. It only took us about 1 hour and 38 minutes to get up. It took us quite a long time to get down, even though it should have been really fast. It just, we didn't run back because it's really heavy on your knees having these big steps running down, so we just walked back in a slow pace. Overall it was pretty hard, but now it's time to rest.